The Air Jordan 1 Mid Chicago Toe, originally released in 2020, is set to make a comeback in early 2026. Drawing inspiration from the iconic Chicago Bulls colors, this crowd pleaser is known for its versatility and classic design. It features black leather overlays on the toe box and eyestays, white quarter panels, and vibrant varsity red wrapping the heel and collar. A black nylon tongue and swoosh add contrast, while a white midsole and black outsole complete the heritage look. Signature branding elements like the Wings logo and Jumpman on the tongue return unchanged from the original release. Though not an OG high, the Chicago Toe Mid has become a staple for fans thanks to its wearable style and more accessible price point. Its upcoming restock is part of Jordan Brand's broader push to reintroduce standout GR colorways. Expected to drop via Nike.com and select retailers in early 2026.